Oh gosh. What's that for? I hate my life. Oh yeah. Hi everyone. Wait. Done. So yeah, I'm gonna give a tour to my house. This first, let's go anywhere. But yeah, this is my cabinet, and it has 3 shoes over there. This is my Barbie's shoes, my shoes, and the Lancy's shoes. Oh yeah, and this is my clip, makeup, helmet for a motorcycle, my bracelet, and I don't know what it is, my clip. Oh yeah, and this is my closet. Oh yeah, and this is my TV. Look at it. It has Samantha over there. And this is my bag. I got it from my mommy, my couch. It has, and this is Cinderella's ring. And this is my blender. It has cookies in there. It has something in there. And this is the chair. And this is my bedroom. I did it just by myself. This is the, I don't know, a hanky or something, a blanket in my pillow, my rug, my 2 bottles, my penny pon, and my Holy Bible, my picture. Now let's go down outside. And this is the stairs. This is the Lancy. This is the Lancy and my motorcycle. Look at it. This is my motorcycle and it has mirrors. This is a thing I don't know. And this is the thing could be lighted. The tire. And that's the whole motorcycle. And the inside is... Did you see the helmet that I showed you before I did this? That's a part of a motorcycle. Now look at it. It got my keys in there. This is my keys. I don't know where it came from, but I will read it. May you be blessed by the Lord that make of heaven and the earth. Psalm 150, verse 15. I put it inside. And this is the whole motorcycle. And it has something in here to stand this thingy. And please like this video. And yeah, this is, I don't know what it's called, but it's selling coins in my doll and the teddy bear. Sorry you can't see it. And the coins again. And this is my Barbie. You can't see it, sorry. So please like this thingy. Some of them are in Canada. And bye-bye.